Now go to Play Store and search for Web and App Creator. After you've done that, you click on Install. Now, as you can see, I have open here because I have already installed it. So click on Open. Now this is the app. Now click on the plus sign to create your website or your app. So by clicking here, you can choose Android app or website. Then enter the platform name, email address, and password. I've already created one here. So let us click on, let's tap it. Now we have view details, copy app ID, download app. So we're going to touch them one after the other. Let me start from the bottom. We have delete this app. You already know the meaning of this. Okay. Now the next thing to do now is to manage this app, because before you can download your app, before you can do any other thing, you need to set up your app, the app type you want to be using or you want to create. So let me just click on manage your app. Good. Now after here we have our app name. You can change the app name here. So leave everything the way it is. So since you are creating VTU or e-wallet app, so I think the best option is just to leave it this way, VTU or e-wallet app. Then change your phone number. Buy now button should be like that. Now after that, you click on update. Open manager. Now for the first time, this is your app link. So you just copy it out. Don't worry, if you forget it, there's still another place where you can get it. Okay. Now the first place it will take you to is this place. If you check the trial, it shows trial ends in 364 days, because the free trial ends in 1 year. Okay, so if you want to subscribe, just click on that subscribe button at the top left corner, and the subscription, I think, is 5k. Is optional. Is optional. You can see the trial. The trial ends in 364 days. That is 1 year. Okay, now to get started, you can see the task you need to perform, you need to complete. So that's the task. After you've done that, you click on admin portal. This red text at the bottom. Okay, so if you don't complete those tasks are optional, so you may leave them. I will show you another way now. So click on admin portal. Now on this page, you will be given, okay, let me just accept these terms and conditions first. Now on this page, good. On this page, you'll be given different types, different accounts to create. So the first account is this, where you will have, click on app configuration, where you have all these features. So all these features are enabled, including the resellers package. You can enable resellers package on your platform. Airtime to cash, you can enable it on your platform. Okay, and sometimes, and after you've done that, I think everything is just like this. The first step is the just go back to your app. Where is our app? Okay, let me just click it from here. Go back to your app, click here, download the app. Now you can see install app. So just click on install app. Okay, logo is required. So you need to set up your logo. After you've set up your where will you set up your logo? Let's go back to this place. To set up your logo, click here, go to manage your app. Okay, now click on go to app manager at the bottom here. After that, click on menu, click on settings. This is where you change your app. You can see upload new logo, so click on that place. That's where to change your logo. And if you want to change email address, you can just change the email address here. After you have changed the email address, then tap here. You can see the empty here. Assuming you change the email address, the email will appear here. So you need to choose, you need to select the new email you've entered. Okay, now email delivery. Do you want to allow email delivery on your platform? And everything, just leave everything the way it is. This is the address. Just change the address to your address. Then the mobile number change to your own mobile number. This is the manager ID. The manager ID will be using to enter this manager. So choose the theme color. Then display text. On your app, do you want to display text? Okay, and after you've done that, just click on main dashboard. We see our other settings there and everything is understandable if you read it. So just click on admin panel again. That's how to get started. Okay, so in the next tutorial, I will teach you how to fund your wallet and to perform transactions. Now, this empowerment account, it means if you don't have money to fund your API wallet, because before customers start buying on your website or on your application, you must have money in your API. How will you do that? By just come to this, click on fund wallet. You can see this is your own account number. Then you can fund like this, card payment or bank transfer. If you fund your wallet, when people install your app or they log into your website, they can buy anything in as much you have the money in your API. But if you know you don't have much capital to start the business, you can just click on the menu here, app configuration, and click on create empowerment account, this button. So when you click on this button, it will is it. So when you click on it, fill the form, choose I agree, then click on the button agree and join. After you've done that, you get 100,000 naira into your API. So which means your customer can now use it to buy anything worth of 100,000. And when your API wallet, that 100,000, when it is low, you'll be credited again with another 100,000. You know, this is just empowerment when you don't have capital, so you'll be helped. So watch out for next tutorial.